I just the shout. Now I just the shout, but I don't say na reality I don't tell now. For this Nigeria, now the leaders there. It's not the future of the future generation of this country, the future leader, but now and the old papa them. It's not the future leaders them, but they go fail. I say we lazy, we lazy, we agree with ourselves, but when I don't see our work. Yahoo boys, now our government now mislead them to do Yahoo. I not be Yahoo boy, but I go learn I know today. Let's not go school for 8 years. Go study, go come back. Frustration go make I go do what not supposed to because of our government. How much that they receive for House of Rep? House of Assembly, how much I receive senators? Now they receive salaries of waiting like thousands of Nigerian youth go tell power themselves. Now they call themselves leader. Cheke Barawo, now father where see man, time go come oh mala man, we get to.
Go boss.
See, what the airport them you not gonna want to go. See all of them go find on us.
Go all everywhere stuff.
See. Now revolution they cause not be still. I dey bros, I don't die. They hear me so. I got nothing to lose. I know why. I not get 1 naira. When I feel say I begin go abroad though, but that their name when name where they answer. Now go take find this.
Go find a girl anywhere.
Any name on a beer. As how we hear that name. For example, call here Buhari. I don't call here Buhari from one place. Like keep it this I go finance. I call here Tinubu. I can't hear one kind name. Like say, go plan with the disturbance, the youth of this country. I can't hear their name in future to come. They are children. Now Dodo be their name. They create.
Bros, they come make I ask them one question.
Ask them.
And they come out of this. All those crew them. I've been a devil. What I call on now?
Ask them.
Just small question. What do I lose if we get industrial light to this our country?
Exactly. I will get the resource.
What do I lose?
We get energy. We get sun.
If we get better road.
Yes.
For this country. What do I lose if I give the youth
Tell them.
work? Make they work. They get our home. What do I lose?
Tell them.
That's what I be. I'm not even wicked, but the devil himself. See, I tell you now, I'm not even get where I go stay for FIR.
Siam.
Devil go, he go reflect on that.
Siam.
He go pursue on you.
Siam, I want clear on our doubts. Before, I want find confusion between the youths. They made them fight themselves. But my Lord, I don't want it. For Niger Delta, when I bring on politics, this my na Roboman, this my na Ijon man, this my na Shekiri man. Oh man, you know how they do to? On a factor, see, we don't know on a plan. We're not feel distrust.
We go all Luna.
When I say we gather yes,
now we not fight.
When I say we gather yes, now so we gather meet on a corner. Like we found like sugar, all on we go invest all of us. We go shop on now.
The all one na this way,
We not right though.
Find una go
very soon, very soon. Minds go so enter yansh.
No joy.
You know say, but the worship.
We don't get joy, no joy.
If I live in my profession, if I enter the street,
We lazy. I wish na Akala would
Here I don't see.
when I say we get power, see us.
When I know the
See us, we
story.
lazy. That is
we not lazy.
that woman wey don die finish tell us say we lazy. Say we don't fit work. Don't worry.
I know they laugh. Rich belle.
Men go travel.
I will laugh. As we laugh.
Men go travel.
As we laugh. As we laugh. Now so we wicked inside.
If e happen, men go travel.
As we laugh. As we wicked inside.
All those money una gather so.
I just show myself.
Na FOI and the money take dey wait for
I
una.
show myself. See, I will see we no get joy. We get woofly.
Woofly let me our
How dey shame?
See joy, joy na for now. We no get joy for now.
What are they?
Na woofly.
What are they travel? They come out for the country. Where are they go so?
Bros.
Now they see am.
Na
When I want to see so that's the one I carry things come here come do things.
Wait. Now they see am.
na father.
My
Don't
papa.
When I come to fool.
He go red.
Una father.
Lord,
House of Rep members,
Lord go be like
House of
water. They go
Assembly.
drink am.
Even the governors. People they represent us for the country. We like say we say una go mission now. Now una they go to now selfish interest. Thunder fire now.
It go happen.
Una children
It go happen.
we dey come for them.
Our father wait.
See am.
We'll meet them.
Look me. I be like the fear die.
See there.
Look me where I be like
Look
the
the
fear die.
eye there.
Not be today youth not dey die now.
Yeah.
Fela don talk am before. We feel say na yoke.
If
But
it
now we don't take out our hands. bros, anything I want to do. 1,000 of una no fit defeat millions of Nigerians.
Bros, if you two want, I go travel.
See,
Oh.
calculate all the governors, House of Rep members, House of Senate, they not pass 1,000. Now they control millions of Nigerians. Say because una get one power, now they craze. The power na wiki una will take am back.
We'll take her back.
We'll collect that power
My
back
father.
very soon. Election the corner.
Papa.
Tiens, and listen, now listen. Tiens, we want dictate now for now, and the youth get the dictation of this country.
Yes.
The next presidency for Nigeria, below 40 years. If una go bring una grandpa come represent us again, Shege Bara will turn that fire on our
Now
head.
go clear.
Bros, see wetin dey be say.
The next president,
We not go wait.
Below
God
40.
destroy this war. Now who go use that to destroy the war?
the next governors below 40,
You don't reach like that.
House of
We
Rep
not go
below
wait for God.
40,
We go use our own hand.
chairman local government
You know the anything.
below 30. If una go carry una grandpa come rule us again, turn that fire on
Oh,
us.
that problem.
Na go carry people don get 4th generation, all the Tinubu, all the Buhari, go be like say they get great grandchildren. Call see bros, see
They go jump. They jump
One
anyhow.
time.
see turn that fire on now.
Nah.
Now bush go
Una
end,
mama-
bush go end down. Men go fall
Yes.
back. Shege.
Upload this thing.
Raj. Better go
Upload na
down.
inside for the minute.
Hello, my good country people. Now don't say am now. Now don't say Nigerian youth they no get joy. This na Nigerian youth them when they finish school, no work. They manage their life. The thing they pain them when they go see the way our politicians then they spend this money anyhow. So this youth they don already talk their mind though. So this the way be say they do them for body now. If they see all these politician children or catch all these politicians, their own don finish o, because na dem put us for this condition when we dey for this country. How person go finish school finish, no go get work? Okay now, and all these politicians wey be say dem dey do this thing, dem think say dem smart. Una children go surely pay for this thing one day or the other. Una children go pay for this whole thing, because when una dey live una life dey live large, only few people for this country, few politicians na dem dey for Abuja dey chop our money, dey eat Nigerian money like no man business. The one go from governor enter senate, from senate enter minister, just like that. All of them just dey circle themselves, and they think say all this Nigerian youth no dey see them. Eye wey dey cry dey see road o. So the earlier the better wey be say Nigerian politicians go start to dey fix this country, the better for us. Because if dem like make dem send their children go abroad go school, when these children dem come back from abroad, dem go pay o, dem go pay for it. Na the truth be that, because these guys they are not smiling at all. Dem dey for street dey hustle. Alright, to my people, na more gist be this. If you never subscribe to this channel, abeg make you hit the subscribe button. For my returning subscribers, I say thank you so much. God bless you now. Una bye bye. Have a nice day.